Okay, Tommy Twit's mother measures the departure of any bundle from her favorite bundle for Tommy by the sum of absolute values of the difference. Her favorite bundle for Tommy is 2 comma 7, that is 2 cookies and 7 glasses of milk. Uh, Tommy's mother's indifference curve that passes through the point C comma M also passes through which of these points? Okay, so the idea is that she cares about absolute differences. So utility, so the most preferred bundle is 2 comma 7. Okay, so she wants, her utility is maximum when she is closest to 2 comma 7. The more further away she goes, she measures in terms of absolute values, sum of absolute values of the differences. Okay, so her utility function is basically negative of mod x minus 2 plus mod y minus 7. Okay, so now this is basically sum of differences of distances. Okay, sum of what was the term, sorry, sum of absolute value of the differences. So this is sum of absolute value of the differences. Okay, and this negative here, it just suggests that your utility reduces as you go away from 2 comma 7. Okay, so your utility is 0 at 2 comma 7 and it is negative everywhere else, which makes sense because you want the maxima to be the point 2 comma 7. The further away you are from the point 2 comma 7, the sadder you get. Alright, so this is going to be your indifference curves. Now let's try to plot the indifference curves. What do they look like? Okay, so 2 comma 7. Right. Okay, so this is your Cartesian plane. This is your point, let's say 2 comma 7. Okay, so from here I am going to draw the regions, 4 regions from here. Okay, so I have now 4 regions. Okay, so remember that my utility function is this mod of x minus 2 plus x minus 7 और पूरे के सामने एक negative. So this region is when your x is greater than 2 and your y is greater than 7. So in that case your utility, so x is greater than 2, so this thing becomes just x minus 2, this thing becomes just y minus 7. So utility becomes negative of x minus 2 plus y minus 7. So that's negative of x plus y minus 9. Okay, so that's going to be your utility function. So utility is negative of x minus y, x plus y minus 9. So that's basically 9 minus x minus y, or 9 minus x plus y. That's your level of utility. Okay, so how do I plot this? So let's say your utility level is suppose 15. Okay, so 15 level का indifference curve मुझे बनाना है. So 15 equals to 9 minus x plus y. Okay, 15 cannot be it, sorry, negative होगी सारी utilities. Let's say minus 15. Minus 15 का मुझे indifference curve बनाना है, because utility is always going to be less than equals to 0 for this format. Okay, so for this given functional form here, okay, utility is always going to be less than equals to 0. So I am taking utility minus 15. Okay, so minus 15 equals to 9 minus x minus y. So x plus y is equals to 9 plus 15, so that is equal to 24. Okay, whatever that is, it's basically x plus y equals to 24. So the IC will basically look like this. Okay, so this will be the shape of the indifference curve in region 1. Okay, let's talk about region 2. In region 2, you have y still greater than 7, but x is less than 2. Okay, you are to the left of this point, so x has become less than 2. So utility becomes negative of, so x is less than 2, so mod of x minus 2 will be 2 minus x, okay, plus y is still greater than 7, so this will be y plus y minus 7. Okay, so this will be negative of y minus x minus 5. Okay, so that is 5 minus y plus x. So that's your level of utility. Okay, so again let's find out minus 15 level utility. So minus 15 equals to 5 minus y plus x. So this implies y equals to 20 plus x. So important thing is you can find the slope from here. Slope is going to be 1. Okay, y equals to mx plus c. So this is y equals to 1 into x plus 20. So slope will be 1 in this region. So in this region your ICs will have slope 1, so they will look like this. Okay, by doing similar exercise you will find that the slope here and slope here will look like this. Okay, so the ICs will basically be looking like this. Okay, so around your point 2 comma 7 the ICs will look like kite shaped. So kite shaped squares, rotated squares centered on the point 2 comma 7. Okay, so that's how you find the shape of these ICs. Now let's draw this again without all the equation. Let's just draw the curves and let's proceed with solving the problem. So the point is best thing is 2 comma 7. Okay, so 2 comma 7. So this is, let's say, your 2 comma 7. Okay, so the ICs will look like this. Okay, so this is going to be the shape of the ICs. So Tommy's indifference curve through the point 5 comma 4. So this point is 2 comma 7. So the point 5 comma 4 will be somewhere here. So this will be your point, let's say 5 comma 4. Okay, so this is going to be a 5 comma 4. Okay, so it also passes through the point. Actually you can just substitute it into the utility function and check. Actually I don't need to do this. Actually graphically इसको करना नहीं चाहिए. I just did the graph part to tell you कि ICs कैसे लिखते हैं. Let's come back to your utility function. Your utility function was negative of mod x minus 2 plus mod of y minus 7. Okay, so the utility at point 5 comma 4 will be equal to negative of mod 5 minus 2 plus mod 4 minus 7. So that's going to be equal to negative of x minus 2, 5 minus 2. This is going to be 3 plus 3. So that's minus 6. So the utility is minus 6 at 5 comma 4. Now you need to check कि in points में से किस में utility is becoming minus 3. So the answer is given as B. So I am not going to check कौन सा आंसर है. I am just going to verify कि आंसर ये है. So utility at 2 comma 1 निकाल लेते हैं. Utility at 2 comma 1, this is going to be equal to negative of mod x minus 2 plus mod so x minus 2 is 2 minus 2 plus mod of 1 minus 7. So that's basically negative of 0 plus 6. So that's minus 6. So yeah, 2 comma 1 has same utility. Then next is utility at the point 8 comma 7 is equals to negative of mod 8 minus 2 plus mod 7 minus 7. So that's minus 6. And finally utility at point 5 comma 10, this is going to be equal to negative of mod 5 minus 2 plus mod 10 minus 7. So that's minus 6. Okay, so all these three things have utility equal to minus 6. Okay, so all these points have the same utility as the point 5 comma 4, and hence the answer is B.